I'm Robert Braswell, and this is 2 Minutes with TMC. Welcome to 2 Minutes with TMC. I'm your host, Robert Braswell, with ATA's Technology and Maintenance Council. 2 Minutes with TMC is brought to you courtesy of Meritor. Meritor is a leading global supplier of drivetrain, mobility, braking, and aftermarket solutions for commercial vehicle and industrial markets. With a more than 100-year legacy of providing innovative products that offer superior performance, efficiency, and reliability, Meritor serves commercial truck, trailer, defense, specialty, and aftermarket customers around the world. And now let's take a look at what's happening in your council. Many fleets have long appreciated the efficiencies that the Vehicle Maintenance Reporting Standard, or VMRS, brings to the maintenance cost reporting industry. But did you know that this month VMRS has hit a significant milestone? This month, the 10,000th entry was entered into VMRS Code Key 34. That's the data element that describes industry manufacturers, suppliers, and brands in a simple 5-character code. Here's TMC VMRS Services Manager Jack Poster to tell us more about it.
Thanks, Robert. I'm excited to announce that TMC has reached 10,000 codes in Code Key 34, the manufacturer, supplier, and brand code key found in VMRS. I'd also like to highlight the growth of VMRS. I started at TMC in 2007. At that time, there were 2,400 codes in Code Key 34 and 21,000 codes in Code Key 33. There are now 10,000 codes in Code Key 34 and 32,000 codes in Code Key 33. Needless to say, I've been busy adding new codes. VMRS continues to grow and reflect the needs of anyone involved in equipment maintenance.
Thanks, Jack. Come to Atlanta and learn more about how VMRS can improve parts delivery and reduce downtime in your operation. TMC's 2018 Annual Meeting and Transportation Technology Exhibition is scheduled for March 5th through the 8th at the Georgia World Congress Center in Atlanta, Georgia. Want to learn more about VMRS itself? Come to the VMRS Codes Committee meeting from 10 to 11:30 on Monday, March 5th. To register or for more information on TMC's annual meeting, go to tmcannual.trucking.org. You'll find a shortcut link into our event landing page in today's email as well. In the meantime, you can learn more about VMRS by visiting the TMC website at tmc.trucking.org. Click the VMRS button on the right side of the page, or just click the promo link in today's originating email. And that's all the time we have today for 2 Minutes with TMC. Once again, this program is brought to you courtesy of the good folks at Meritor. Until next time, this is Robert Braswell with TMC. Thanks for watching.